Hey there! Have you ever thought about how a simple wireless charger could change your daily routine? Today, we're diving into 5 clever ways to use wireless chargers around your home that go beyond just powering up your devices. Wireless chargers are more than just convenient gadgets. They help keep your space organized and make everyday tasks easier. By using them creatively, you can simplify your life and enjoy a clutter-free environment. 1. Imagine having your phone, smartwatch, and AirPods all charging in one neat spot. A wireless charger can transform your nightstand into a tidy charging station. Say goodbye to tangled cords. Just place your devices down and sleep soundly, knowing they'll be ready for the next day. 2. If your workspace is cluttered with cables, a wireless charger can save the day. Set one up on your desk to charge your phone while you work. This keeps your area tidy and makes it easy to grab your phone whenever you need it. 3. Consider placing a wireless charger near your cooking area. It's perfect for following recipe videos on your phone. Charge your device while you cook, keeping it within reach and avoiding messy splatters on your screen. 4. Having friends over? Create a wireless charging station for your guests. It's a thoughtful touch that allows everyone to keep their devices charged without hunting for an outlet. Plus, it keeps your living space looking sleek and modern. 5. A wireless charger in your car can make road trips a breeze. Just drop your phone on the charger, and it's ready to navigate or play your favorite tunes without the hassle of cords along the way. Step 1. Choose a spot in your home for a wireless charging station. Step 2. Keep your charger clean and easily accessible. Step 3. Experiment with placing chargers in different rooms to see what works best for you. Step 4. Consider getting multiple chargers for various areas to maximize convenience. Be cautious not to place metal objects between your phone and the charger, as they can interfere with charging. Also, ensure your devices are compatible with wireless charging to avoid any frustration. So there you have it. 5 creative ways to use wireless chargers that can truly enhance your everyday life. Give these tips a try and let us know how they work for you in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun tech tips. Hey everyone! Have you ever wondered how to make your home smarter and more organized? Today, let's explore a simple gadget that can help you do just that: wireless chargers. Wireless chargers have evolved beyond just powering up your devices. They can enhance your living space, making it easier to stay organized and live efficiently. In our fast-paced lives, finding small ways to simplify things can really make a difference. Here are 5 innovative ways to incorporate wireless chargers into your home. 1. Place a wireless charger on your nightstand so your phone is always within reach while you sleep. No more fumbling for a charging cable in the dark. Just set your phone down, and it starts charging instantly. 2. Use a wireless charger in the kitchen to keep your smart devices ready for action. Whether you're following a recipe on your tablet or enjoying music, having a charger on the counter ensures your devices are always powered up. 3. Add a wireless charger to your workspace to keep your phone and gadgets close at hand. It helps reduce clutter from tangled wires, giving your office a more professional and organized vibe. 4. Create a dedicated charging station for your guests. Place a wireless charger in your living room or guest room so visitors can easily charge their devices without hunting for outlets or cables. It's a thoughtful touch they'll appreciate. 5. Get creative by using decorative wireless chargers as coasters. Set them on coffee tables or side tables. They not only charge your devices but also add a stylish flair to your decor. Start by identifying where you spend the most time at home. Is it your nightstand or kitchen counter? Grab a wireless charger and place it there. Try out one of these creative ideas and see how much easier it makes your daily routine. Be careful not to cover your wireless charger with thick cases or materials, as this can interfere with charging. Also, ensure the charger is compatible with your devices to avoid any issues. So there you have it. Wireless chargers can truly unlock your home's potential in so many creative ways. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and ideas. Let's keep making our lives easier, one gadget at a time. Lastly, consider setting up a wireless charger in your entryway. When you come home, you can drop your phone on it while taking off your shoes. It's a simple way to ensure your device is ready for your next adventure. Grab a wireless charger that matches your style. Identify areas in your home that could use some decluttering. Set up your wireless chargers in those spots. Enjoy your newly organized